Returning to our initial query, when does a type of behavior start? We can now state that our system tries to adapt to a situation as soon as it is provided with a label. This happens shortly after the detection phase or after potential prediction and is entirely influenced by pre-existing conditions. The subsequent phases see evaluation and planning take shape and reach what represents, or at least should represent, the most structured type of human behavior, the modulation phase. This is where complex actions take place, encompassing all elements and envisioning longer, spanning temporal outcomes. It's usually the quality of this middle phase that brings about satisfaction and fulfillment. It is often presumed that it's the termination phase that brings about fulfillment and finally determines the quality of an action, allowing us to state, "I did it." In reality, determination of a type of behavior often is not fulfilling at all. This is something you are bound to have experienced, as we all have done in more than one instance. A useful system to understand modulation and act on it directly is that of flows, or in other words, the way our behavior comes into actual being. There are somatic, relational, postural, motor, metabolic, motivational, energy and vitality flows systems. These flows can be expressed automatically if they are the result of habits consolidated over time, or they can be innate and express basic functions relating to the key needs, or they can even be managed and controlled by changing habits and using retrofeedback on acquired patterns, altered to your own advantage, or even by acting at a relational systems level. The modulation phase also moves along circuits that have been forged by trust, value and values, cooperation relationships, evolutionary discovery, transformative experimentation, and creativity. Experience is transformative at the deepest level, the epigenetic level. McEwan and other researchers have shown the criteria and effectiveness conditions at the heart of these processes. Later in this course, we will be able to expand on this phase, as with the others, and on different options for action that are within each one.